Hey there, fellow procurement pros! We're close to finishing Module 2. But before we do that, let's have a look at where to get help. In this and the next few lessons, we're going to cover some free KNIME resources which can and will help you to solve your everyday KNIME questions. So today, we're going to have a look at the KNIME Hub. Imagine you have a problem in KNIME you just can't find a solution for. Or instead of reading how a node works, you want to see it in action to better understand its inner workings.
I don't understand.
You could of course search YouTube and the interwebs, but wait, there's a better place. The KNIME Hub. The KNIME Hub is a sharing platform provided by the good guys over at the KNIME headquarters. You find a lot of things there. You can find notes and informations about them. So let's take the group by node for example. Do you remember the group by node, right? If we enter group by into the search bar, we get a bunch of different results. So let's click on the first one and immediately you see the node description. But there is so much more. You see its in and out ports plus all the options you can use within the config, very well explained. And you can see additionally some of the courses that KNIME themselves offer here. You will also see to which extension it belongs. And in this case, for the group by node, it means group by belongs to the KNIME standard package. But don't worry, if you don't understand it right now, we'll explain what extensions are very soon. The next thing is the most valuable part of the KNIME Hub from my point of view. You see, every user can have their own public and private space on the KNIME Hub. A file storage for KNIME workflow sharing, so to say. And what you undersee related workflows and nodes is a list of recent additions to the KNIME Hub that utilize the node we're currently looking at. So how awesome is that? But it doesn't stop here. Going back to the Hub homepage, you can also see complete workflows. And if you ever see a workflow on the Hub, you can use it right away. But how do you get these KNIME workflows into your local environment? Let me quickly show you. You see this little icon here? Simply drag and drop it onto your KNIME application and the tool will automatically download the workflow and create a local copy for you. Let me just demonstrate this from my own public space with yesterday's tutorial on data types to you. So you have seen that lesson, right? If not, it is linked above. So drag and drop and boom! That's how you can get workflows from others easily to either recreate what they have done, to better understand the idea behind it, or to use parts or the whole for your own purposes. So go ahead and browse the KNIME Hub. It's a great resource with great contents, but beware, you can easily get lost with all the great content that is out there. There you have it. Thousands of workflows and ideas at your fingertips. Log into your KNIME account and you can have now the work of thousands of hours of data science right in front of you. I learned a lot from this resource alone, and I bet you will too. This will definitely increase your proficiency with KNIME. So now a question for you guys. What problem do you currently want to solve with KNIME? Put it in the comments down below and I will research it and try to point you to a solution on the KNIME Hub if you do. In tomorrow's video, we're going to talk about another great resource maintained by some fellow KNIME enthusiasts, NodePit. And if you don't have subscribed yet, make sure to like and subscribe this video so you don't miss out on any of the new and advanced stuff that's coming your way. So see you tomorrow and bye! If you want to go to the first part of this online course, click this video. And here is just another video that shows you some very funny stuff you can do with KNIME. Oh, and if you want to download the resources and chat with fellow students, just go here to this page over at procurementzen.com.